What do you think it is? What do you think it is, Danielle?
Which box did he take now?
Huh? Danielle, what do you think it is? What do you think it is?
It's not Annabelle.
You got.
No.
If she is Annabelle, you bargain, boo.
She gonna throw it away. I don't want Annabelle.
Come on, Daddy. Yeah, for real. I don't want Annabelle. Buttermilk, TikTok.
Can the man just open the gift?
A new backpack.
Oh, now that is nice. Wait, let me see. Maria, Malcolm, Harriet, Rosa, Marcus, Shirley. Because of them, we can. Oh, that's beautiful.
Submit.
Annabelle.
He stopped crying already.
I want that back for myself.
Hey,
Hey, can I use it?
why you crying?
That's the wrong zip.
Come here, Paul.
That's on what's it called? Make those.
I got another one.
Oh, present at the prison.
Oh, they must be.
You on a roll.
I just came out my room. How y'all got that in my room? That's why you got it this time. Some chopstick.
Yeah, you
I
needed
couldn't
it.
find it. Ooh.
You say, ooh.
Let me have one of them.
Oh, she just.
Ooh, zipper. I wanted to buy it one time. Ooh, this is what I wanted this time. Ooh, another one. Peace sign. What's this? Oh, this is what I wanted from Kohl's.
She remember exactly what she wanted.
What happened to the phone?
Where that come from? This the phone. They're in the phone.
Let her figure it out.
Thank you! What's the phone is this? What is it?
I think I meant to put that one in there. That wasn't supposed to be in there. It had something else in there. This was
That was for me, wasn't it?
yeah. This one was what I got least. My bad. My bad.
She does. It is. It is.
What?
Oh, she got Galaxy.
Danielle, the phone is right here, baby. You threw it when you ripped the box to shreds.
Thank you.
She called, man.
She threw it. She threw it.
Do you like your gift? Do you like your gift?
Yeah.
With that Nintendo.
Yeah.